Hey folks, today is March the 19th, currently 8:54 in the morning. I just switched over to the May contract, as you can see here. And so far it looks like the market is moving down steadily. High volume node is at 45.08. A lot of people in the trade room have already taken several nice trades here. We had a low volume node set up right here. As you can see, market came up to it and reversed nicely there. Have another low volume node right here. Not sure if anybody took that. Let me come in here and pull up some of these charts real quick. Alright, this is one of the vendors charts. You can see here he switched over as well to the next contract. Alright, looks like he took a short right here at this level. And I believe that is this low volume node right here. So he was able to take that trade. One of the other individuals in the trade room, this is something that he was able to catch. I believe it's the same exact trade. Let's see what else we got. This is somebody else. They took a trade on the high volume node here. I don't show this print. Let me see. Yep, I don't have that print, so I wouldn't have had that opportunity anyway. Anyway, I just want you guys to see what's been going on, and hopefully we'll get some good node trades today. This looks like it could be a good level to take again. We have a lower low right here. We have this low volume node. We have this sell zone.
Order pending.
We'll just have to see if the market gets back up to it. Two-minute chart should be starting here shortly. Actually, let me get set up for that real quick. Alright, my 2-minute chart is set to start at 9 o'clock every day. Let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys if we get filled here. Alright guys, we just got filled here. Let's go ahead and make some changes. First take profit is going to be down here at 07. Obviously we leave one runner. We'll leave this here. And now we just be patient. Actually, there's a low volume node right there. Or a high volume node right here. So if we get down there, it might be good to take profit maybe a tick before that. And it looks like market just opened. So we'll see if it was a good idea to take a trade at the market open or not here very shortly. And today I'm just going to be taking trades here. I'm going to try to just take every opportunity that pops up, and we'll just see what happens with it. One of the reasons I moved my stop up, or my first take profit here, one of the things the vendor talks about is knowing where you're going to run into trouble in the trade, and this is kind of the first area where I can foresee running into trouble. So that's why I went ahead and pushed it right before we get there. Obviously it might bust through it, but same time it might hit this and then decide to turn around. You never know.
Target filled.
I'm going to leave that right there, just about a tick above that low volume node. That might give us some good support, or excuse me, resistance. This is exactly what I was concerned about. And that is beautiful. We have a low volume node right there. Hopefully the market will respect it and keep pushing down. And let's check the 2-minute here real quick. Alright, so it's down here. Alright, I'm not seeing where the high volume node is. Actually, this is still on the 415, so I need to switch this over to the CL. And keep watching this down here, folks. We're about to push through that second profit target.
Target filled.
There it is. Alright, so now CL 515. Whoa. Let's go ahead and push that back down. Definitely don't want to get taken out on a quick spike. This is somebody else in the trade room. He's in the exact same trade as I am. As you guys can see here, got in, and he's up nicely. He hit 2 take profits so far. High volume node has moved down. Let me pull up this 2-minute again so I can see where the high volume node is on that. Alright, so right now the high volume on the 2-minute is at 45.12. Alright, let's push this back over here. Waiting for a print with our trailing. Hasn't given it to me yet. Hopefully it'll pop up here shortly. Go ahead and take a screenshot here. me see if this is a when this buy zone happened. Has to be way back here. Here it is here. Market reacted to it here. So we might have some issues getting through that. And it looks like our trailing, we'll put it there. Oh well, we should have had an extra 4 ticks, but it's not the end of the world.
Stop filled.
There it is. Stop just got hit. Alright, looks like we have another one here. But I'm going to I might look at using this level. I'm gonna see what the market's gonna do here. Not in a rush. Let's see what the vendor just said. Alright, so he's done after that trade. He just posted his daily. And as you guys can see, this is what he did today. 3,891. Wow. The thing is, like I said, they were able to take several nice trades this morning that I wasn't able to catch. Really wish I could start trading at 7 o'clock in the morning, because there are usually setups in between there. Like I wasn't able to catch this one right here, wasn't able to catch this one right here at 7:48, was able to catch the one I just took, which is obviously a good thing. Remember the actually the high volume node on the 2-minute shifted to the 44.85 mark. So it's right down here. So that means we have 2 high volume nodes right beneath us. I'm not focused on scalp trades right now. So this is going to be a tough level to push through, seemingly. We got this buying zone here. Market just busted into and then busted right back out. We have our high volume node right here, and then the high volume node on the 2-minute right here. So there's a lot of support down there. We'll see if the market's able to push through it. Wow, we're already at 14 minutes, folks. Let me go ahead and pause this, but as you guys can see, we got to bounce off of this area. I'll pause it and be back on the next trade. Alright folks, just wanted to show you this low volume node right here. The reason I didn't take it is mainly because of this buy zone that I showed you a moment ago. If I did take it, we'd basically be selling directly into that buy zone right here. And even though we have a sell zone right above it, we have the high volume node right above it, and the high volume node on the 2-minute is at 44.86, which is right here. It's just not a trade I'm willing to take a risk on. Most of the people in the trade room have stopped because most of them caught this trade, and they also caught this trade right here. So just about everybody is up nicely. And of course, at this point, I'm not going to risk the profit I've already made, selling into a buy zone. So we'll just have to wait for a really nice setup, and if we don't get one, we just don't get one. Alright, be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, I wanted you guys to see this here. Market came up to this level. Wanted you to see why I didn't take it. We have this buy zone right here. We also have a naked low volume node right here. And as you can see, my entry price would have been at 45.09. and that means I would have had to get through all of this level of support, and then right here, right above my first take profit, would have been this low volume node, which would have caused some trouble. So that's why I decided not to jump in on that one. Now up here, actually I didn't even pay attention to this over here. We have a low volume node right here and one here as well. Market came up here to 45.15. See if it's going to come down to 05 here. Now that would have been a potential trade because 05 is right here at the very start of this buying zone. And as you can see, it would have just been hit. But like I said, I wasn't looking over here at the time. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause it. We're already at 17 minutes. Try to keep it under 20. Be back shortly. Alright guys, it's now 10 o'clock here. As you can see, we had a higher high right here. We had this lower node in this buying zone. Market never came down enough to get us into a trade before bouncing up with this push right here. Let me check the 2-minute. Alright, low volume node is still down here, or excuse me, the high volume node is still down here at 86. And everything looks good for a long, especially with this low volume node right here. Hopefully the market will continue pushing up, give us a pullback, and that could be a great trade right there. But I'm going to go ahead and shut it down for the day. It's 10 o'clock, 17 minutes, so today's video is a little bit shorter than typical, which is always a good thing. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.